This past year, video calls have become the norm, whether you like it or not. Before 2020, I may have been on a video call only once or twice a month, but that has quickly changed, and it's become the commonplace to be on several video calls a week. And with that, I've seen a few common mistakes being made on a consistent basis that can easily be fixed. You may have seen them yourself, or you may have been the culprit of such video calls like the backlight bandit, the nose inspector, the voyeur cam, the echo chamber, or the busy background. I'm going to show you how to fix each one of these scenarios so that you no longer have to be that guy or girl, and you can share your newfound knowledge with your colleagues and start impressing your boss and clients alike. So let's jump in. This is the easiest one to fix. Now, because computer webcams are automatic, they are constantly adjusting to the light in the room. So, if you sit with a large light source, i.e. a window or lamp behind you, the camera will automatically adjust to that light and ultimately put you in the dark. Sit in front of a window and let the light light you up. Or, if that isn't an option, close the blinds to any windows that may be in view of the camera, and then make sure whatever light source that is in the room is positioned directly in front of you. Nose inspector. This one can be a double threat to the quality of your video calls. One, because people have to look up your nose, and two, your ceiling is showing, and if you have a ceiling fan or light that is in the frame, it will mess with your video compression and cause you to have all sorts of issues. Grab an old Amazon box or a stack of books that elevate your webcam just under eye level. The voyeur cam. Now that a lot of us are working from home and are on our laptops exclusively for several hours a day, it's nice to have a second, larger monitor to work in front of. But the problem is that we usually put our smaller laptop screen off to the side or someplace lower on our desk, and then during video calls, we end up looking at everyone and talking to everyone from our main monitor, when our camera is actually over to the side on our laptops. When a video call starts and automatically goes to full screen, exit full screen and drag the main window over to your laptop just for that call. Use your laptop as your main monitor. Also, make sure to follow tip number 2 when using this method. The echo chamber. For many of us, the kitchen table or living room have become our new offices. The problem with a lot of those spaces is that they can produce a lot of echo due to all the hard surfaces surrounding you. Wood or tile floors, vaulted ceilings, windows, etc. And if you don't know, having great audio can make up for poor video. But if you have both poor video and audio, it can be very visually and audibly fatiguing for the meeting attendees. Try to go from a place that sounds like this to a place that sounds more like this. The audio is a lot clearer, there's a lot less background noise and echo, and the audio is a lot less fatiguing for the attendee. Find a space in your home or office that is small or that has lots of carpet or furniture. You could also use an external mic or headset as well if you have one, and that will also reduce some of the background noise. You have a quiet bedroom, a large walk-in closet? Go there. Better sound will always trump location when it comes to audio for video calls. A lot of the time, you're in a hurry or you're used to being in a particular space, so you can get caught up just looking at yourself and not what's behind you. Busy or strange backgrounds can be distracting and unprofessional looking. Survey your background before you start your call. Random clothes on the floor? Get rid of them. Misplaced pillows on a couch? Straighten them up. Be cognizant of your surroundings. Maybe on one side of a table you're sitting at, you have a random staircase or a dirty kitchen, but on the other side of the table, you have a china cabinet and a blank wall. Always go for the china cabinet and blank wall. Nobody wants to see a large random staircase or a dirty kitchen. And that's it. 5 tips to help you get better video calls. Let's recap. 1. Move into the light so it's shining directly on you. 2. Get your webcam at eye level. 3. Make sure the main screen you're interacting with is the one with the camera. Step 4. Find a quiet space with minimal or no room echo. And 5. Be cognizant of your background. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more content, go ahead and click this video here. If you want to get notified every single time I release a new video, click the bell icon. And as always, subscribe if you want to be a part of this community. If you have any great tips or anything you want to share that I missed, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see you later.